guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make hand soap slime. So what you'll need is Dial Crisp Cranberry Pear. It can be any color or smell. It has to be Dial Hydrating Soap, hand soap. And you can use it for slime if it's jiggly. Like, feels like already slime, but it's actually soap. So I am going to show you how to form it into soap. So all you need is a bowl. You can use a big bowl if you want. I'm just going to use a little bowl because I don't really want to waste this. It smells so good. So let's pour a little bit in. That little. So yeah. I don't really have like a spoon right now. I will just find anything I could. Let's try this. No. Let's see. Let me see. Really quick. Maybe this one. So yeah. I'm too lazy to get something. So let's mix it a little bit. Not too much though. Just for like about 10 seconds. And it has been 10 seconds. Okay. There. You saw how jiggly it was. So now all we need to do is wait for it to freeze for 5 minutes. And if you want it more slimy-ish, you can leave it in for 3 more minutes. And if you want it to be slime forever, you should put it in the freezer all the time after you're playing with it. Do not let it melt, but because it'll like don't have the jiggly texture no more. So you have to leave it in the refrigerator right after you are done playing with it. So yeah, let's put it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes and let's see what happens next. Guys, so it has been 5 minutes now. And let's see how it turned out. OMG. It turned out exactly like the water slime. You know, water slimes are jiggly. And like very, very jiggly. Like this. So yeah. This is so cool. You should definitely try this out, guys. This actually worked. I only tried it myself. And I thought it would make a real slime if I put it like in the refrigerator when it was jiggly. And look, the sound. See that? It actually works, guys. You should definitely try this out. Please subscribe and like this video if it worked. And comment down below if it didn't work. No, I mean, yeah. Comment down below if it didn't work. So yeah. This is so cold. My hands are freezing right now. This is amazing. See you guys later. Bye.